are you?
Good,
Good, man. Good.
Chainsaw Massacre!
It's like it's only starting here. This is the end, so you need to get up here.
So now they're coming for you?
Yep. Indeed, they are.
The wax is almost like it has like propolis on it. You get what I'm saying?
It has?
Propolis, like it's a
Oh.
mixture of wax.
Oh,
and
okay, yes,
propolis.
yes,
It's
yes,
not
yes,
just,
Not just wax.
check the
I
consistency.
see, yeah, I see.
There's comb here, but
Yeah.
unless there is, you can come and see. There's more comb.
And we got the hive. The queen. Oh, what are we looking at? We don't have her here. She's probably in the tree.
Maybe straight inside.
There is
Yeah.
more comb, but it's in there
Yep.
somewhere.
And we can do the other side and see.
This is wood. There's some here, but
Beautiful babies. Let's see here, yeah. So we'll put them inside like this.
Okay. I saw there's on the side, yeah.
yeah, I think you have the right idea there because you don't want.
Try and save the gold.
Like she ran out of pink lips. She had to go and
Yes.
fetch more. She had like
Yes,
6
our baby.
Queenie!
She's trying to get out. She's trying to get out.
Yeah, she's like desperately trying to get out.
You got to get out of here.
All right.
Well, another successful job thanks to Nazim
And Griselda.
Griselda.
And Zane.
And Zane.
It's been awesome, Griselda. Any comments?
Well, I mean, Zane was lucky to spot the queen, and
Yeah, it's always about the luck though.
you know, once you put her into the box, they all made a little ladder at the back of the box there now, and you can see the bees actually walking.
Yeah.
You can see this clump here is actually slowly making their way
yeah.
up to the top.
It was a wise decision to open this up as well on
Yes.
this side,
Yeah, definitely.
and yeah,
Open it up more.
we'll come do that tomorrow.
Unfortunately.
Fortunately.
All right, guys. Thanks for
Awesome,
watching.
and thanks for watching. Always a pleasure. Try to always bring you amazing content. And yeah, please like, subscribe, and yeah.
See you later, Griselda. We'll catch you on the next video.
Au revoir.
All right. So why is the lady looking more and more at you?
Looking what?
More and more at the angle.
It does, no? I think it is shifting.
Yeah. As long as it's nice and solid. All these baby bees. Lady bee. And they are climbing. Oh, and those are the bees tell you that the queen is here. Sure. Yeah, they're sending out their pheromones, telling you, yes, the bee rush. Oh, they are rushing to the boxes, eh? Yeah. Alhamdulillah. Oh, they are really rushing.
Okay.
And this is... Okay, let's put this in. There's our please.
This is popularized. Wow.
Nice. Nice.
Nice one.
Alhamdulillah.
Nice one.
I need a mission at least. There's a few in the box, but I don't think they're gonna...
If you're on the box.
It's on the outside. Yeah. I don't think they're gonna... Yeah.
No, they're not getting out. And it sounded quite busy when you
Yeah, we know,
when you
yeah.
lifted it there.
It was. I think it wasn't making a noise because now they're getting disturbed.